Welcome to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel, and today we are thrilled to present a video packed with contemporary and trendy dye plant stand designs that will take your indoor garden to the next level. From chic minimalism to bohemian vibes, we have got a variety of unique plant stand ideas that will suit every style and space. Join us as we guide you through these creative projects step by step, making it easy for you to create stunning and personalized plant stands that showcase your greenery in style. Sleek copper pipe and wood plant stand project, boho inspired macrame hanging plant stand, modern cube shelf plant stand, repurposed vintage chair plant stand, contemporary tired plant stand with gold essence, geometric PVC pipe plant stand, mid-century, modern hairpin leg plant stand, tips and plant selection for each design. Whether you are a seasoned dye enthusiast or just starting out, these projects are designed to be accessible and enjoyable for everyone. We will provide you with all the necessary materials and walk you through the construction process, ensuring you have everything you need to bring these stunning plant stand designs to life. And by the end of this video, you will have a collection of contemporary and eye-catching plant stands that effortlessly enhance the beauty of your indoor garden. These modern dye plant stand designs will not only add a touch of elegance to your space but also become unique conversation pieces that reflect your personal style and creativity. If you are excited to transform your indoor garden and elevate your plant display, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our latest decor ideas YouTube channel for more inspiring dye projects, home decor ideas and all things plants. We can't wait to see your fabulous creations, so be sure to share your finished plant stands in the comment below. Let's get started on this green and stylish journey together. Thanks for watching complete video. I hope you select the best design from this video. Again, thank you.